Hi everyone! So today I'll be showing you a quick tutorial on how to achieve this Jasmine Aladdin-esque look. For time's sake, I've already applied a primer and foundation to my face using a beauty blender. I'm going to fill in my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo in medium brown. I'm outlining the shape that I want to achieve first and then going back to fill it in. I'd like to go with less of an arch to create a more natural brow. Now I'm going to outline the shape using the Anastasia Pro Pencil in Base 2 to clean up my brows and create a more defined look. And then I'm just blending it out and fixing the shape a bit more with a concealer brush. We aren't done just yet. Don't forget to blend the concealer with a blender brush. Now for the fun part. Eyes! I'm priming my lid with the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Layin Low, and then setting it with a nude eyeshadow to help them blend more evenly. I'm blending the color Jada into the crease of my lid using a window wiping motion. Then I'm going to apply that same color into the outer third using a V motion with a smaller, more tapered brush. I'm going to continue the application technique until I achieve the depth of color that I want. Then I'm going to transition this emerald shade into blues. So I'm using Gonzo from the Urban Decay Electric palette, which is a vivid shimmery turquoise color. I'm applying that in small circular motions. For an even more shimmery look, I'm combining Too Faced glitter glue and the color Cosmic Ocean from the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, and tapping it onto the center and inner third of my lid. Take what's left of that emerald shade on the tapered brush and sweep into the crease, blending with some of the shimmer. I'm using Tarteist clay paint liner and an eyeliner brush for a winged look, starting at the outer corner of my eye and then carefully outlining the shape, first stopping in the middle of my lid and then filling it in. I want to add a touch of gold to finish this look, so I'm lining my crease with the Urban Decay glitter eyeliner in Midnight Cowboy, stopping in the center. And then using a highlighter on my brow bone. Before applying anything on my bottom lash line, I want to apply concealer using a single pump of MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC30 to highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. I'm going to pack on a finishing powder by Dermablend and finish the rest of my eyes while it sets. I'm applying lashes from lovely Vanity Cosmetics. After applying the glue onto the lash strip, you want to give it some time to get tacky before placing it on your lash line. I place them in the center of my lid, adjust the outer corner, and then set the inner corner, making sure that I stay as close as possible to my lash line. I'm blending a line of contour beneath my cheekbones and on the edges of my forehead. Then buffing it out with Benefit Hoola Bronzer in the color Caramel. Then I'm applying a NARS blush on the apples of my cheeks. I'm finishing my eyes by applying Jada onto my lower lash line and adding mascara. To finish my face, I'm highlighting my cheekbones, chin, bridge of my nose, and cupid's bow with Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop. And then adding a little bit of Orion from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit on top, which has some blue undertones. I wanted to do more of a nude lip to keep the emphasis on my eyes, so I'm using Dolce K Liquid Lipstick by Kylie Cosmetics. So this is a finished product. Thank you for watching how I achieved this ultra shimmery, super awesome look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye guys!